Hi everyone, today we are going to make Achari Baingan. In this recipe, we have taken 100 grams of white brinjals directly from our terrace garden and we have cut these lengthwise. You can take any brinjal. To make Achari Baingan, in a wok, take 1.5 tablespoon oil and warm it on medium flame. Now add half teaspoon grated ginger and saute it well. Now add 2 half slit green chillies and 2 onions. We have cut these onions lengthwise. Saute onion on high flame till they turn golden brown in color. The onions are sauteed. Now let's add white brinjal and mix it well. Now it's time to add all the spices on lower flame. Add half teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon dry mango powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon methi की chutney और आलू बेडवी powder and 1/4 teaspoon fennel seeds. Now mix all the spices well. Now cover this with a lid and cook this for 10 minutes on lower flame. In between, make sure that you remove the lid and stir the vegetables well so that you don't overcook the brinjals. You can check it from spatula whether these white brinjals are soft enough or not. If not, you can cook this for 5 minutes more on lower flame. Your Achari Baingan is ready to serve. Do try this delicious spicy recipe at home and tell us about it in the comment section. If you like this video, like it and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.